Hello everyone. So welcome you all to another great session. So guys, stress is something that is generated in everyday life. Okay, stress is a trash that is generated in everyday life. Okay, but we need to get rid of it. All right, we need to get rid of it, otherwise it will overtake us. So guys, please, I know the life is stressful, but always get rid of stress so that to have a carefree life. Okay, so today we are going to discuss a very interesting concept. Okay, what is the concept? See, we all know that a pin is pointed. Okay, so you can see this is a compass pin, and in fact all the pins in real life, whenever we hear of pin, it is pointed only. But have you ever thought of why is a pin pointed? Have you ever thought of that why is a pin pointed? Well, I will just demonstrate a simple experiment in front of you. Okay, so you can see this paper. Okay, you can see this paper. If I try to pierce with my finger, okay, if I try to pierce it with my finger, it is just not possible. Why? Because the surface area of the finger is quite large. Okay, but when I take this compass needle, okay, then it just passes through. You can see it just goes through. So what is happening, guys? The area of this pin is very small. Okay, the area of this pin is very small when you compare it with my finger. Okay, so what is stress? Stress is force by area. Okay, stress is force by area. So when the area is very small, for a less value of force also, higher amount of stress is generated. Alright guys, stress is force upon area. So if you have a smaller area, then the stress generated is higher, and because of the higher stress generated, you can simply pierce it very easily. Okay, you can simply pierce it very easily. Okay guys, so that is why a screwdriver, a nail, all these objects are very pointed so as to create a larger amount of stress. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.